Hello, my name is Peter Magpayo, and I'm a scanning specialist with Kevin Root Medical. The purpose of this video tutorial is to go through the process of downloading and installing our Foot ID app onto an iPhone or an iPad. Before we continue, please keep in mind you'll need an iPhone 10 or above or an iPad Pro 3rd or 4th generation. These devices have the Face ID feature built in, and you'll need this feature in order to use the Foot ID app moving forward. Now let's begin. From your home screen, select the App Store and start a search for Foot ID. Once the search is completed, you'll see the icon for Foot ID as well as a few screenshots and the option to download. Go ahead and select Get, or you may notice on my screen I have the download from the cloud icon instead of Get, and that's only because I previously installed Foot ID on this particular device. So go ahead and start your download by pressing Get, and your device may prompt you to double-click your home button to confirm the download. Once the download is completed, go ahead and select Open, and it'll take you to the home screen of Foot ID. You have the option to sign up or sign in. Since this is an initial install on your device, select Sign Up and then Sign Up with email. At this point, there are a couple of things to consider before we proceed. The first being, the account you are creating for the Foot ID app is independent of any account you may have created with the Kevin Root Medical website. Also, if you have multiple clinicians or doctors, or if you have an office manager that will need access to the account in order to save or submit orders, you may want to use a back office or common email for your facility that everyone will have access to. I'm going to go ahead and select an alternate email because my work email has already been used. Now for your password, we suggest it should be at least 8 characters long, include a capital and lowercase letter, a number, and a special key. For example, the pound sign or dollar sign. Once you've inputted the email and password you have created, go ahead and select Sign Up, and you will go back to the home screen for Foot ID, except this time you'll see Welcome to Foot ID. Please start by creating a clinician profile. Go ahead and select Add Clinician, which is highlighted in blue, and enter your first name, your last name, and the office number for your clinic. Enter your clinic name, as well as the email you entered for your account or the email you would like the notifications to go to. In this case, I'm using our common email for Kevin Root Medical. Review the information that you entered and double check to make sure everything is correct. Then go ahead and select Add Clinician. Once that's completed, you'll see the home screen for Foot ID as well as Demo Scan and New Foot ID. At this point, you've completed the download and installation of our Foot ID app onto your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.